Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second way how to add a supporting loops as shown here, and you have this shape over there. So I'm gonna be using the bevel method. So select the boundary edges like this, hold down Alt, click on left mouse button. I'm gonna be using Control because it doesn't work like this. Select this edge you want to bevel, press Ctrl B like this, scroll the mouse wheel until you have 3 loops like this. Press P to profile and you can move like this. P to profile, drag the mouse wheel, then drag the mouse to change the profile at 90 degrees angle like this, and click to confirm using the left mouse button. Tap into object mode, go over here, subdivision surface modifier, set it to 2, shade smooth, and we have got this shape over here. Thanks for watching.